Okay, we only have 3 days until the Luzon Heritage open launch. We need a final layout. So, Mickey, kumusta yung technical?
Every day is smooth sa back-end engine. Reading a new site, or just need the actual content and graphics from Marlene and Eileen. Actually, we had a problem. I told you yesterday to finish the design in quick design. So bakit wala ka sa sharing drive? You're slowing us down.
Sorry po, Miss Marlene, kasi po, I was researching naman yung significance ng symbols. There are certain patterns na hindi dapat ginagamit sa commercial products because there are certain sa community namin.
Eileen, it's just a design. This is the marketing agency, not a history class. Just pick one that looks aesthetic and Instagrammable. Practicality muna tayo, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Hey, Eileen. So what happened kanina? Are you okay?
Honestly, Miss Rodelia, medyo nahihirapan po ako. I just want to do a good job. Pero ethically, mali na yung gamitin yung culture natin as just respect diversity means listening to the people, people's culture, di ba?
Right, Eileen. Your ethics is just about doing the good things for the community.
Come in. Angel, Jima, we need to post. Eileen, raise a valid picture about the Luzon Heritage Campaign.
I agree. Under our workplace diversity policy, we are supposed to value unique inside our employees. Eileen is respect here.
My mistake. I was too focused on the deadline. Let's call a habit. Guys, I want to apologize. We were rushing and without realizing the cultural weight of the work. Marlene, I know the deadline is tight, but we cannot sacrifice ladies for speed.
I'm sorry, Eileen. I'm just stressed. I didn't know na rigid meaning pala yung pattern na yun. I was just an art.
Thank you po. I already prepared our set of designs. They are inspired by the culture and safe for commercial use. It's more respectful basically.
Actually, guys, if we add that small, did you know the section of this site explaining the history of these patterns? It adds a more value, mas maganda naman reputation natin.
Great idea, Mickey. See? When we are respect each other background, the work actually gets better.
Yeah.
Diversity is our strength. It's just not having different people in our role, but making sure voice is heard and respected.
Ethical decisions are not always easy, especially with deadlines. But when you choose respect over consequence, everyone wins.
Wow naman!